Welcome to a video by Abron. These are variable micropipettes which are ranging from 5 ml to 0.5 ml to 5 ml, 1 ml to 1 UL, 5 UL to 0.5 UL to 5 UL, 1 UL to 110 UL, 5 UL to 50 UL. Another one is 10 to 100 UL and 100 to 1000 UL. They are variable. They are variable by knob. This is a knob. You can rotate from here. This one is a knob rotator. You can change the value from here to the 50 knob. The pipette tips are provided. 2 pipette tips are provided with this in this box. And this one is a manual. If you push little bit of it, half a push, then it works for working. And then if you push it full, then it works. It ejaculates the chemical. The manual is completely with all details. These are the pipettes available with us, and we have got this manual is there. A test report is also provided with this. This one is a test report, and we have got these are the pipettes where we have to push it. This one, and this is for your standing pipette, and this tip is available, and this one is a variable. So these tips are variable. These are going to one institution research department, and we have got all the digital. We have got the electronic also. This one is a manual working. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9416020018 and 9992222049. Website is Abron Exports. We have got the all digital electronic papers also. We have supplied to many research department, and they are very good. They come in a very easy and usable system. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you very much.